think at this point you guys should just call me Phayte the herbal nurse, because I am definitely your plug when it comes to growing that long, healthy, soft and beautiful hair. So guys, today our main ingredient is moringa, and it was easy to get this because I literally have a tree at my backyard, but you can get this at your local market and sometimes as a form of powder in supermarkets. So this moringa leaf is so healthy to the body and hair because it nourishes the scalp and hair follicles by providing vitamins, minerals, that can actually help your hair and help you get a healthy hair. So moringa has vitamin A, B, C, E. It kind of sounds like I'm reciting the alphabet, but anyway, this helps repair damaged hair and develops and retain moisture and nutrients in your hair. Yes, I made my research. So tell me why you would not want to actually try this on your hair. Now, the second ingredient, as you can see, is ginger. And I feel like we underestimate the work of ginger in both our bodies and hair. So ginger can help reduce scalp infections, dandruff, and also stimulate hair follicles to promote, longer and stronger hair. As you can see, I'm peeling the back of the ginger because what I'm interested in is the inside of the ginger, not the back. So I'm peeling it and I'm keeping it one side. So you want to make sure that as you're peeling it, you are just trying to be careful with it so that you don't end up peeling the actual ginger that we're going to use. So as you can see, I'm just trying as much as I can, just to remove the back a little bit without taking part of the ginger, because it will just be as if you are wasting the entire ginger. So now this is it, all washed and all peeled. I actually love how yellow it is. I don't know why, but anyway, after peeling it, I rinsed it with clean water, and now it is time for us to move to the next step. So as you can see, I am dicing it. Will I say dicing? Cutting. I'm cutting it into smaller bits to just help for when I actually want to blend or pound it. It kind of makes it very easy to use, basically, so this is it. Kind of looks like a snack, but it's not a snack, but some people eat it. You can eat it if you like ginger, but I don't. Anyway, it is time for us to transfer our ginger and moringa to the mortar. So now I am going to pound the living daylight out of them. And as I'm pounding, I'm ensuring I'm mixing the two together and just to get everything together. And if you have a food processor or a blender, you can also go ahead and use it. This is actually what it looks like after being pounded. So the reason I did not blend it is because if I did, I would be tempted to add water, and you do not want water in it. Now I'm pulling out my olive oil, popularly known as anointing oil in Nigeria, and I'm measuring half cup of this. You can use 1 cup, but I didn't have enough olive oil, so that's why I went with half cup. So now I have my plastic jar, and I'll be adding my olive oil into my plastic jar. Now remember, the moringa and ginger we pounded. Yes, I am adding it into my jar of olive anointing oil. And I'm mixing it all up together. Now, as it is now, it is basically a mixture of olive oil, moringa and ginger, but it isn't ready. Okay, so I'm going to steam it on the fire, but I can't use this plastic jar to steam it because it will literally melt the jar. Y'all know plastic and oil do not go together. But I'm going to show you an example of this, in case if you use it like this, you will see how my jar will literally melt. literally melt. But I had to show you guys as an example, just for the people that might want to go behind my back and use plastic jar. Please do not burn your house and say Phayte Effects did it. Look at it. So it's best to use glass or aluminium cup. So I'm going to be using an aluminium cup. I added a little amount of water into my pot, as you can see, to achieve that steaming effect. You do not want to put your aluminium cup or jar into an empty pot, because you might just end up hurting yourself. So I'm going to stir for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'm going to leave it to settle, to make sure it is cold before doing the second thing. Now, me stirring it actually just mixes the nutrients in the ginger and the moringa and everything together. So to sieve it, I'm using a bowl, my small sieve, and a cheese / pap / sieving cloth. So placing it on top of each other in this order that you're seeing, I'll be pouring my mixture into it and leaving it for 5 minutes. So as you can see, I'm like stirring it again, and now I'm pouring it into my sieving system. That's what I'm gonna call it. And I'm just gonna leave it here for 5 minutes till the oil transfers to the bowl by itself. You guys are gonna see what it is actually doing. So after 5 minutes, I decided to just come and press it, to remove the remaining oil that is in the sieving cloth. So you want to make sure your hand is clean, because you do not want to transfer bacteria from your hand, if it's dirty, into the oil, and then it might just be very, very bad for your hair. So all done, and this is our oil. So right now I'm transferring it into my tiny spray bottle, but you want to use a funnel for this. As you can see, I did not have a funnel, and I was getting my oil spilled everywhere. That can't happen, because y'all know that this oil is our special magic oil. So please use a funnel. Do not be like me. So anyway, we are all done, and ladies and gentlemen, we have the Phayte Effects Moringa and Ginger 2.0 ready. ready. I don't know if you guys want it, because at this point I might start a natural hair care line very soon. You put them in the comment section if you buy you. I'm ready. I'm down to sell it, because I'm literally on a roll. And now it's time for moisturizing. So guys, right now it's time for us to actually moisturize my hair. So I left my hair purposely like this, so that you guys can actually see that yes, sometimes hair be looking crazy, and then you guys are going to see how it will look after it has been moisturized and in my protective style. So the method, as you can see, I've already wet my hair was extremely dry. So I wet it. I want to make sure when you're using this on your hair, it is clean. So in case if you're wondering if your hair is clean or not, just know your hair is not clean, because if your hair is clean, you will not be wondering whether it is clean or not. So for the newbies here, what I'm actually doing is putting my hair in sections. So to narrow it down, I cut my hair into 4 parts, and I'm loosely twisting it so that it can help when I'm moisturizing the hair. If your hair is short, you can just apply it directly. So now I'm spraying my hair with a mixture of my leave-in conditioner and water. I think I'll do a proper video on this, so that Yeah, I can really talk about it. So now I'm massaging this into my scalp, into my hair, to just bring it back to life and to hydrate my hair before going in with, you know, our moringa and ginger oil. So as you can see, I'm literally applying it to my hair bit by bit, because you don't want to waste it. If you are just spraying it like that on your hair, it is not entering your scalp, and the main reason you are doing this is so that your hair can grow, and your hair is going to grow from your scalp. So whatever natural hair products you see on my page, please make sure you apply it on your scalp, massage it on your scalp. Let your scalp be like, God, what is it? Force that hair to grow out. If you have like any bald patch, if you are bald or whatever, you can be applying this on your hair. It has worked for me for my edges, and I'm sure it's worked for you too. So please be generous with it on your hair. Apply it on all your strands. You know, make sure you are very, very much satisfied with it before you go to the next step. So after massaging it into my hair, I'm going in with my shea butter / ori oyo in Yoruba. So you can use any hair butter on your hair. It doesn't have to be shea butter. As long as it's a hair butter, you can use it. And you want to make sure you use it in this order so your hair can retain the moisture. Yes, so the order is liquid, oil, and butter. So now I'm dividing my section into two to make it easy for my detangling brush to do its magic. So I'm dividing it into two just to make it easy. If your hair isn't full, you don't really have to do this. You can just go ahead and start detangling. But as you can see, my detangling brush is literally just passing through the hair, and like, guys, there was no friction at all. My hair was fully moisturized. That's why I say you should use that method. And now I am twisting my hair and putting it into a cornrows, or you can say I'm plaiting it to retain the moisture. So if you do not do it like this, if you just leave your hair out like this after applying all these things, it will hold in moisture and it won't give you that healthy hair that you deserve, that you need. You get? So as you can see, it's very, very easy for me to put it in these cornrows, to plait it. It's very easy for me to do it. Like, everything is just soft at this point. So that liquid, oil, and butter actually helps. Actually helps. If you want the healthiness of this our moringa and ginger oil to come out, you have to do it like this. This is the best moisturizing process you can do, even with anything. So now I'm done with 2 strands already, and now it's time to move to the back of my hair. So I'm repeating the same process for the back of my hair because it needs some love too. I mean, we can't just be showering the fronts with love. I want the moringa and ginger oil to actually grow the back of my hair too, you know, so that some sides of my hair won't be long and some will not be short. Like, everything has to be equal. So I'm repeating the liquid, oil, and butter routine as I told you guys before. And yes, now I'm going in with my moringa oil. There's just something so satisfying when I'm massaging my hair. I feel like you guys should try it too. Like, try as much as you can to be gentle with your hair. Like, no tugging of your hair. Like, when you want to comb it, don't drag your hair. Just be gentle with it, guys. Like, you will see that hair grow. In fact, I feel like you guys should go and watch like my past videos so that you actually see how my hair was before and after. Before I started using all these products on my hair, and after, like now, I used to have lots and lots of breakage. In fact, I used to have relaxed hair before I cut my hair. There was a lot of breakage, there was stunted growth. But since I went natural, like, I've seen that healthy hair. I've gotten thousands of comments, like compliments and stuff like that, of everybody just saying, gosh, your hair is so dark, your hair is so long, your hair is so beautiful. So I feel if you want that same result for your hair, make sure you like actually love your hair and you're gentle with your hair. Don't think your hair is just part of your body. Like, it is part of your body, but it is one of the most important parts of your body, because it is what people see at first before they even see you. People will see your hair at first before they even look at your face. It's literally on top of your head. So what are you talking about? Anyway, guys, I'm going to repeat this, putting it into different twists or plates, or I don't know what they call it. So you can actually twist your own if you want. You can plate it if you want. And before you know it, we are done. So guys, we're all done, and my hair that was dry, strong, breaking and whatnot at the beginning of this video is finally revived and in my cute protective style. So guys, I feel you guys should watch out for my next hair video so that we can see the growth and the effects of this moringa and ginger oil on my hair. Make sure to save this video for later so you do not make any mistake when you are doing yours. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop your wonderful comments in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video to somebody that you know that will definitely need this video. And with that said, we are done, my lovely Face Effects family. My hair feels so healthy, it feels so soft, it feels so moisturized. I can wear a wig on this. I can literally just do this. In fact, in my next video, I'm going to be styling my hair, so watch out for that. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next YouTube video. Mwah.